Okay, so 2 days ago we put SB3 Solo 1-year spray coating. We put it on this car. We put it on everything but this half of the hood. So all the rest of the car, but this side is covered. We showed you how ceramic coating works in a sketch, and we talked about it, but nothing beats seeing a demonstration of ceramic coating at its best. So you're going to notice how the water behaves on this side compared to how the water behaves on that side. All right, so I've got a pressure washer here. I just have it on a low setting just to give you guys a general idea of what it looks like. Now look how the water on the left side, you can clearly see the line almost straight up and down the middle where I ran it a couple days ago. And you can see how this water kind of just sticks, and this is more beaded off. You see it's kind of fallen on its own. You're gonna notice the water will still come off really easily, and the reason is because we filled in those peaks and valleys in the paint like we talked about in another video. So you're gonna see it's gonna kind of come right off and the other side's gonna stick. See, it's almost ineffective to use a leaf blower on a non-ceramic coated vehicle. On this side, bam, comes right off. On that side, it sticks, it's inefficient. You might as well just dry it off because you end up just blowing the water from one side of the hood to the other.